As Zimbabwe Sisterhood, we have been implementing the Knowledge Hubs project under the Spotlight Initiative.
So basically the hub is a safe space for women and young girls and young feminists and CSOs and women-led organizations to come together and gather around information around women empowerment.
The title of the project is Zero Ulwazi, and it's really centered around knowledge products and getting people to access knowledge through their hubs.
The idea being around that there is limited information, especially in Zimbabwe, on women empowerment on the web. So the idea was to say, how can we best empower young women so that they're able to tell a story in their own words, how they are affected within the communities, how can they get empowerment. Equip these young feminists with skills that they are able to do citizen journalism, be able to move around the communities and come back to this knowledge hub and support with information, and then this knowledge hub then becomes a repository for all the information that we are gathering here around in Zimbabwe through the universities that we are working with.
One of the projects I coordinate is an initiative called Feminists on Campus, which is basically a movement of young women and men on campus who are seeking to fight for the full attainment of their sexual reproductive health and rights. A core component of that initiative is to provide these young people with a space where they can conduct research, come up with papers, and even come up with IEC material that has to do with their sexual reproductive health and rights on campus, as well as advocate for this among their peers. Linking the Feminists on Campus initiative with the project on hubs, we have realized that many young people on campus are short of a safe space where they can convene, where they can conduct their researches that are in line with this work. So the hubs have come in to provide that space, and we have two of these. We have one here in Harare at our Caritas Sisterhood office. We also have a similar hub that is located in Bulawayo at the National University of Science and Technology. And likewise, given the initiative that we have, the hub is still speaking to the same issue. Linking it with the Spotlight Initiative, the hubs are a great resource for university students to come and get information, get knowledge, and a resource base where they can carry out their research.